Are you a really SB19 fan? Today's quiz determined if you're
Yung tanong niya sa akin, are you a real SB19 fan? So, bale, pag hindi ko pala nasagot to ng tama, hindi pala ako fan. Ganun pala yun. Sige.
real 18s. Let's begin. What year did SB19
Totohanan pala talaga to. Officially debut 2018.
debut? The correct answer is
Tama ako.
2018. What is the fandom name of SB19?
Blink. Ayan, masabihan. Sige.
The answer is 18. Who is the leader of SB19?
Pablo. Pinuno. Masarian, pa-comment na ako ulit po mamaya
The
nun.
correct answer is Pablo.
Ang pogi ni Pablo.
Which member of SB19 is known for his powerful vocals?
Stel. Matulog ka ate. Ha? Basic.
The answer is Stell. Which SB19 song was their first major hit?
Major hit. Go up.
The answer is Gento.
Gento pala kasi major dapat. Di ba go up sila nakilala? Medyo major din yun na kasi nakilala sila dahil dun. Pero sa bagay, yung pinaka major, I guess Gento. Tama naman.
What is the name of SB19's light stick?
LSB. Bakit version 4 na agad? Wala pa mga 1, 2, 3 niyan? Version 1, 2, 3?
The answer is LSB version 4. What is Pablo's real name?
Paulo Ignacio. Paulo Ignacio. John Paulo Nace.
The answer is John Paulo. Which member is the youngest in SB19?
Justin. Si Ken, kaedad ko si Ken.
The answer is Justin. SB19 is the first Filipino group trained under which Korean company?
Show BT. Basic ate, itulog mo muna yan ha.
The answer is Show BT. What was SB19's first digital concert called?
Back in the zone pala. Paano ko get in the zone?
It's SB19 Live
Alam,
from
mali, hindi ko
Manila.
alam.
What
Mali
is
pala
Stell's
yun.
full name?
Live in Manila pala yung una. Wala pa talaga ako nung time na to. Hindi pa ako active nun eh. Live in Manila? Yung pangalan ng first concert, Live in Manila? Yun, ganun yung pangalan? Live in Manila lang? Stelvester Ajero. Fake fan pala eh.
It's Stelvester
Palpak.
Quitales Ajero.
Ajero,
Which song did
te.
SB19 release?
Palpak. Hindi. Ano to, boycott to kasi Ajero yung apelido ni Stel. So meaning, hindi na to, kahit magkamali ako, wala nang bearing tong quiz na to. Ajero yun ate ha. Ajero yung basa mo, mali ka.
It's
Kaya
Stelvester
masarya ako.
Quitales Ajero.
Anong Ajero?
Which song
Papa
did
mo Ajero?
SB19 release for their second anniversary?
Ano daw? Hindi ko to rinig. Wait lang, huwag ka muna magsalita.
It's Stelvester Quitales Ajero. Which song did SB19 release for their second anniversary?
Punyeta, second anniversary. Basinga!
The answer is
Ay,
Gento.
punyeta. Mali na naman.
Which
Dalawa na.
member often choreographs SB19's dance routines?
Choreographer Stel. Stel, di ba?
The answer
diba?
is Stell.
Alam ko si Ken tsaka si
Which
Stel.
member's signature hairstyle is a ponytail?
Pablo. Nai-imagine mo ba kung si Stel na ganyan?
The answer is Pablo. Which SB19 song talks about love and perseverance?
Love and perseverance. Tilaluha?
The answer is Alab.
Love and perseverance. Ano pala yung tilaluha? Ano pa yung alab? Mali na naman ako.
Who is the main rapper of SB19?
Pablo puro na ako mali Ayusin mo magtanong ate.
The answer is Pablo. SB19 song What is about?
Filipino pride. Ha? Pag yan mali pa ako, ampasin kita ng unan sa mukha.
The answer is self-love.
Bakit pala what? Bakit self-love pala yan? Paetas ng bandera, nasa puso ko ang tatama. What? Kaya. Di ba ano naman yung Filipino pride? Hangal ata to si ate eh. Ng bandera, nasa puso ko ang tatama. Watawat, may watawat na nga sa mo ano eh ha. Gusto mo bang ambalusin kita ng plancha sa mukha ate? Kulay blue pa to, SB19 to. Ikaw din, Commander, manahimik ka, ha? Mali siya? Mali ba siya? Tama ba ako doon? Master, tama ba ako? Tama ba ako doon? Tama ako doon, di ba? Nasa paawat, iwawa. Oh, iwawagayway ang matawat, ha? Nakasabu ka ba, te?
Hello. SB19 song What is about?
What? Oh. Hindi naman self-love yun. Hindi naman friendship yun. Kaya nga iwagayway mong watawat. Iwas-iwas ko sa'yo yung watawat eh.
What is Ken's full name?
Kendrick Jan. Parang yung pangalan niya Kendrick Jan, no?
It's Philip John Susan, who in SB19 is known for being the visual of the group.
Visual. Justin? Justin?
The answer is Justin.
Ayun ang dati
What
nilang.
SB19 music video featured futuristic costumes?
Futuristic. Alab.
The answer
What?
is what? Which
Ano yung alab?
SB19 member has
May music video bang alab? Ang dami ko ng mali, ha? What? Di ba parang futuristic ba yung what? Futuristic ba yung what? Di parang parang makabayan yung what, di ba? Nakakadami na. Niloloko ako nito eh.
passion for photography?
Justin.
The answer is Justin. In which year did SB19 win their first Billboard Music Award?
Punyeta, yun na nga. 2022.
The answer is 2021.
Wait lang, parang wala naman. Ay, meron para 2021, di ko nakita. Pero hindi ko pa rin alam kung anong year yun.
SB19 win their first Billboard Music Award?
Fake face sa master.
The answer is 2021.
Yun yung
What is
masanari.
Josh's real name?
Josh Cullen. Hindi, Josh Christopher. Ay, Josh Christopher.
The answer is Josh Cullen. Which SB19 music video has a school setting?
School. Hanggang sa uli.
The answer is
Salamat.
Hanggang sa
Thank you, Lord.
Huli. SB19 song Mappa is dedicated to
Parents. Alangan.
The answer is Parents. What was the name of SB19's first ever song?
First ever song. Pag ito hindi mo alam, mabaho ang iyong puwet. Kilaluha.
The answer is Tilaluha.
Kala mo
Which SB19 member is the most fluent in English?
English, Pablo. Si Josh, ano din naman si Josh? Pablo ata talaga yung ano.
The answer is Pablo. Who among SB19 is known for his excellent cooking skills?
Estel. Hello, Master Letty. Good evening. Si Estel.
The answer is Stell. Who in SB19 has a strong interest in anime?
Ken. Munti ko pa makalimutan
The answer
Oh.
is Ken.
Kilala niyo ba sino paborito ni Ken talaga na anime? Kilala niyo ba? Hello, Master Joan Solon. Hello po. Sino ang paborito ni Ken? Sige nga, sa mga sisiw dito, sino ang paborito ni Ken na anime? Sino? Sige. Bibigyan ko kayo ng 10 seconds. Tininining! One Piece, Naruto. One Piece, Naruto, sige. Dora. Natumbok mo. Chichiri Dora. Dora the Explorer. Dora. De joke lang, di ko alam kung sino, joke lang yun.
SB19 has a strong interest in anime.
Nalala ko lang kasi yung si Dora daw pinapanood niya.
The answer is Ken. Which of these songs did SB19 perform at their first online concert?
Oh my god, di ko pa alam to ah. What na lang, what?
The answer is Go Up.
Wala ako nun eh.
SB19's MAPA stands for
Mama at Papa, malamang. Idang. Mali pa nga yung choices mo eh.
The answer is Mother and Father. What
Ako.
is Stell's role in the group aside from singing?
Lead dancer. Kapal ano siya, no? Dalawa pala kay
The
Stell.
answer is lead dancer. Which SB19 member is from Zamboanga del Sur?
Zamboanga del Sur. Ken. Hala, magkalugar lang pala kami.
The answer is Ken. Who composed the song What?
Pablo.
The answer is Pablo. SB19's song Bazinga was inspired by which topic?
Bazinga, hate may gasolina. Rising above hate. Ha! Kala mo ah,
It's
matulog ka
Rising
muna.
Above Hate. Who is the eldest member of SB19?
Eldest, Pablo. Ah, Josh! Ah, my God, Josh! Masyado ka ng bata para sa akin, Josh!
The answer is Josh.
My God, muntik na.
SB19
Oo nga,
is often
Commander,
referred
si
to as
Josh
the
nga.
blank of
Josh na
Teapot.
namang alam mo eh. Kings. The creators of P-pop.
The answer is Kings. Which SB19 song was dedicated to their fans?
SLMT, nakuha mo ba ikaw yung SLMT,
The
malamang.
answer is SLMT. SB19's fandom name, 18, is pronounced as
Pronounce C, 18.
The answer is 18.
Ha?
What
Meron
color
pala dun?
in
Meron pala
SB19's
sa taas,
fandom
tama.
name,
Hindi ko nakita
18,
eh.
is pronounced as
Tama, 18.
The answer is 18. What color is often associated with SB19?
Sky blue.
The answer is
Black
sky
pala yung
blue.
favorite color ko.
Which member is known for his love for gaming?
Josh Cullen. The greatest gamer in the history of games.
The answer is Josh. SB19's what? Reach which chart on Billboard?
Billboard 100.
It's Billboard Global X-Goal.
Hindi ko alam yan
US. SB19 song Alab translates to
Flame.
The answer is Flame. Who is the creative director for most of SB19's visuals?
Justin. Kung hindi basic, mahirap.
The answer is Justin. SB19 performed at which major U.S. venue in 2022?
Times Square? Parang Times Square ata, no?
It's New York Palladium
Tama.
Times Square. Who in SB19 has a background in architecture?
Architecture. Parang si Pablo ata kasi luto-luto kay Stell eh.
The answer is Ken.
Si Ken!
SB
Si Ken pala, oo nga, si Pablo parang sa ano siya, di ba? Sa parang type ano? Ano ba yun si Pablo? Yung parang sa tech sa mga technology. Ewan ko ba?
19's first collaboration song with another artist was
Mapa.
It's MAPA
Oh, tama
fan
nga.
version. Who among the members is considered the mood maker of SB19?
Bias ko syempre. Ha? Yung kagaya kong baliw si Stell.
The answer is
English is
Stell.
si... Ay, oo pala.
What is the type?
Oo pala, akala ko sa ano si Pablo sa mga ano ba yung tawag na course nun? IT. Oo pala, English para si Pau. Putik na yan,
Title of
nakakalimutan.
SB19's debut EP.
Debut into the zone.
The answer
Ay,
is
kasi-
Peg Sybil.
Ah!
SB19's song Tilaluha is about
Heartbreak, oo na.
the answer is
Oo pala, Puniemas.